decent pizza. You wanna go play in it?
Like, what? Hey,
You wanna go play in it?
I'm good, not becoming extra crispy.
Chances are slim.
Now, if you're me, my luck, I walk out there 5 seconds in. It's okay. I won't get struck by. Okay.
Yeah, you don't want to jinx yourself.
Kind of automatically a jinx. Then again, I get struck and I gain the power of He-Man. Or at least that's what my brain thinks in the few seconds before it registers. You're dead. I will live a lifetime in that few seconds of infinite void. Jacob's Ladder.
The ninjutsu that Sasuke's brother does. He had to kill the love of his life when he murdered his clan, and he put her into ninjutsu, which she felt and experienced like 80 years of life with him and having a family and everything in like 5 seconds of her dying. So the ninjutsu let her experience 80 years of life.
Yeah.
With like having him and as a husband and children and living a beautiful life, and really he's holding her while she's dying.
Like, does he become a part of that experience, or that's just for her?
No, he just gives that to her. Gives that to her.
My brain can't decide if that's extremely beautiful or extremely fucked up.
He had to murder the clan because they were gonna go after the Elite Village, or they were gonna rebel against the Elite Village.
Okay, so beautiful and fucked up. I'm Team Madara.
Huh?
I'm Team Madara.
Madara.
Yeah. Dude made a fucking pocket dimension.
There goes the fucking Great Sage.
Pervy Sage. Pain kills him, right?
What's up?
Pain kills Jiraiya.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
See, that another anime that does it. Fucking 1 million people survive in One Piece. Ace dies. Somehow Mary gets shot in the head. Ace fucking dies.
Well, apparently with Jiraiya,
Yeah, it was the cutoff.
he kind of let himself be killed or whatever at the end to send a message or something. I forget exactly what happened.
Wait, so Naruto could have saved him?
No. Jiraiya could have probably beaten Pain if circumstances were different.
Oh, I get it now. He was afraid that some shit was gonna come out. He was gonna get canceled in the village. He was like, fuck it, I'll die a hero. They don't need to know about all the pervy shit I did. I didn't get that nickname for nothing. Pervy Sage.